Hello traders, welcome back to the channel MG Trader Govardhan here. Today's topic is about the trading loss. Okay, most of the traders show their profits to their friends and family, and also some of them show their profits in social media, but only some people will share their losses in the trading community, and only some people transparently show their losses to their family and also to their friends. Why? Because the trader feels that if they show their loss, right, the other people may treat him like as a loser, so that's why they avoid showing the losses to the friends and relatives and friends also. Okay, now let's discuss some of my top 5 biggest losses. Okay, I have too many losses, as you can see. I'm scrolling sliding my losses. I have too many losses in my trading career. Okay, I will discuss about the top 5 losses. Okay, and also I will mix the both my option selling losses and option buying losses. Okay, and also what's the psychology behind that loss. I mean, what are the rules I have broken so that the loss has been occurred, and also what's the percentage of loss regarding to the capital, and also how many days it took to recover the loss, and also how many weeks it took me psychologically to trade again in the markets aggressively. Okay, let's dive into the video, and here is my first loss. So traders, my first biggest loss is 94,951 rupees, that is 95,000 rupees. The biggest enemy is 36,800 call option, that is giving 1,16,000 rupees of a loss. So this is because of not option selling, this is because of option buying, that too with oversized quantity of 1000 quantities. It's almost to 40 lots. Okay, 40 lots, that too on a Wednesday where there will be a decay of too much. These are all my mistakes. Okay, these are all my rule based mistakes. And now let's see the FOMO mistake, fear of missing out mistakes, right? So on 22nd of March, okay, this is 22nd of March, I'm zooming out here, right? 22nd of March, the market has moved 2.5% within just a matter of 7 hours. Okay, on opening of 23rd of March, okay, the resistance has been broken, the previous swing has been broken. So in hurry, in fear, what I have did is I have bought 36,800 calls at an average price of 227 rupees. Still I can remember that price, guys, because this is my biggest loss. Okay, and I kept on averaging the price while it's coming down, and once in a while, I mean, at I think at 9:45, 9:50 a.m., I got opportunity to exit at break even, but my fear of missing out didn't exited me that trade. Okay, and the market kept on coming down. My calls have decayed like ice. Okay, it has decayed like ice, and at last at 3:25 p.m., I think I have squared off all my positions with a ton of water in my eyes. Okay, with a ton of water in my eyes, and that is how I ended with my first loss. Now let's move on to my second loss. Okay, so this is my second biggest loss, minus 66,500 rupees. So let's see the enemy, 32,700 call option, it's almost 66,000 rupees loss, which means it's the main culprit for the loss. Okay, it's because of option selling. Okay, let it be. And let's see the chart. In the morning, market opened flat, and I have as usual strangles. Okay, my view is bearish, so I had too many calls and less puts, and the market moved high, and I holded on my nose even at minus 30k loss, and the market came down actually, and I've been profit with almost plus 5k up to 12 o'clock. Okay, after 12 o'clock the market is still bearish, so what I thought is, okay, let me square up the puts completely and only short the calls. Okay, I shorted, and I gone to even 32,700, as you can see here, 32,700 at the money call option. Okay, I kept on shorting, and I shorted almost 10 lots, not 10, 500 quantity, I mean almost 20 lots. Okay, I will trade only with 10 lots actually, but on the day I have traded with 20 lots, and the market showed its chameleon color. Okay, the market moved like just like a rocket from 32,700, it's just gone to 33,200 within half an hour, 15 minutes I can say. It has moved 1% sorry, in 15 minutes, and it made me a loss of minus 40k. I'm so rubbish. I didn't square up minus 40k, and I have waited in this pullback. As you can see, this pullback, right? At this pullback, I've been at minus 25k loss. Even at there, I would have exited, but my stupid mind didn't exited there, and I kept on taking the losses. And at the day end, I took a loss of almost minus 66k. That is almost, guys. I can say you almost 16% of my trading capital. Okay, at that month I have ended at a profit of 2.3%. Okay, because I have already profits of almost 75k to 80k, so that's why I have ended the month. And for the loss recovery, it took almost 3 weeks to recover the whole 66k loss, right? Whole 66k, it took me 3 weeks. Yeah, so next move on to the third biggest loss of my trading career. Okay, this cutest third biggest loss is from also option selling, but this time a magic, that is in Nifty actually. Yeah, in Nifty. Previously, when I used to be a full-time trader, I used to trade in Nifty because the risk to reward, I mean, not the risk to reward, but the risk is a little bit lower previously, not now. Previously, the Nifty used to be low risk and a better reward. Okay, now let's move on to the chart and what mistakes I have done. You know the meaning of overconfidence? Yeah, at that point, it's me. You can show me the meaning of overconfidence, right? Okay, the market has opened at somewhere around the coolest level of 17,425, and it's the time where the bull era, I mean the bull market is going like crazily daily. 200 300 points market will go up and close. Okay, and what I thought is, okay, today is also one of like that day. And at at one time at 17,600, market has came at 17,600. And what stupid thing I have done, right? I have short at 17,750 put itself. I have taken a strangle. Okay, and I have short at 17,750 put directly, and 17,750 call directly, I mean in the straddle. That is how the my overconfidence brain function like. Okay, and anyway, the I mean after 3 days the expiry has done at somewhere close to 17,700. I mean the hindsight is like that. I mean bad luck, not bad luck, but the risk to reward and the trading rules has been broken at that day, so I have been taken punished. Okay, and at that time, that capital, for that capital, the loss is around I think 11%, and it took me 15 days to recover the loss. I quite faster actually. And also after 17th day, I think the equity have been high has been touched in my portfolio, right? And let's move on to the fourth biggest loss, not loss. Yeah, so traders, this is the fourth loss, biggest loss, 42,700, and this is the fifth biggest loss, the 30,600. Sorry. And I have searched in charts and also in my trade logs so much to search for the, so that I can identify the logics behind this trade, and I could find nothing. Yeah, simply nothing. I just took this trade of FOMO, greedy, or whatever gambling mindset, or the dopamine surge. You know that, right? After inserting drugs in movies, they will show, right? For that feeling, I have took a oversized positions like almost 20-30 lots, as you can see here, 20 lot like that I have took, and I have blown up like crazy, 42,000 in one day, and next day a 30,600. Yeah, this is day alternate day. Yeah, on Wednesday I have blown up 42,000, and on Thursday I have blown up 30,000. Okay, and total loss somewhere close to 72,000. My account size at that time is 93,000. You don't believe me, I blown up the account totally, completely. I just remained with 7,000. So with a 93,000 size of account, I have blown up of 80 to 90%. And the fact is that I never recovered that loss through option buying. Yeah, I've been profiting option selling, but I have never recovered this loss in option buying. I'm saying in option buying. Okay, this means that option buying is gambling? No. There are many traders, skillful traders I can say, who are in option buying making lakhs per day. Yeah, lakhs per day. And okay, as you can see, my first loss, I mean the 95,000 loss, also from because of option buying, because of oversight. So traders, this is my top 5 biggest losses, and also there are next, I mean 6 to 10 biggest losses also. Maybe I will make it a part 2 video. If you want that video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to MK Trader. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.